Alright guys, I'm in Epcot. Welcome to Epcot. And this is the entrance here, so we're gonna go in, scan my magic band, and get it started. Alright guys, Spaceship Earth right behind me, and the old I would call it structure from back in the day when Epcot basically began, and there's a lot of people scattered around pretty much. Looks like Spaceship Earth ride is a walk on or so over here. So I'm gonna give you a good look at Spaceship Earth and the structure right in front of me. That represent the neighborhood in Epcot. That's that side, and here's one up here. Alright guys, so last year I gave you an update on the Guardian Galaxy ride. There's a new update. This one is actually debuting next year, 2022. But we don't know what month it's going to debut in, but 2022 for sure. So yeah, good look. Alright guys, so right behind me is the new creation store that just opened recently. So we're going to check that out right now. The new mural that I was talking about here, the Mickey mural. What's up? Alright. 50th anniversary Tumblr problem. The Nemo. You go through here, and you basically take a elevator up to space and dine. And here's the menu, guys. Oh yeah, and can't forget, it's Food and Wine Festival right now. It ends in November, so we got like a full month, maybe a month and a half or so in November. But Food and Wine 2021. Alright guys, I got the pork slider from Hawaii, and I'm gonna try it right now, so give me a sec here. Alright, so it has pork and spicy mayo and something else I forgot on the menu, but here we go. Really good, really tasty. Yep, good for me. Alright guys, just ate Hawaii, and we're going on through Mexico right now. And just to let you know, I got the boarding pass for Ratatouille Adventures, Group 121, which I don't know if that's good or not, depends. Because right now it's like Group 30 to 40 something, you know?
That would be 65 hours. 300. No, I was.
got the frozen ride. Really good. Never gets old. Very popular, as you can see with the line here. I'll show you. Here's the line. So it starts there and goes all the way around. But it's not that long of a wait. Once you get through the middle part of the line, it's smooth, it's quick. So don't get too worried about the lines. And now, I think I'll try some Mexican food now. So let's go to Mexico. Alright guys, I got taco from Mexico. Gonna try this, called Taco de Reba. And it looks pretty good, so I'm gonna give it a try. There's my first character I've seen all day during this trip is Snow White right here. Alright guys, I got the apple strudel from Germany over there. And let's get a try. Here we go. Really good. It's like apple pie, but probably even better. So right now I've been just walking around and going through countries, going to the shops and looking around the area there. And right now I'm in Japan. Right here. Japan. Right there. This is where the Teppanyaki hibachi place is, but there was no reservation left, so we're not eating there. But we'll just check the country out, and hopefully we'll get some rides really soon. This is Jasmine, my second Disney character I've seen today. Hey, welcome to France. And then over here is the way to the Ratatouille ride, which I hopefully will go on later today. So baguettes, wine, this is it right here. Welcome to England, UK, and United Kingdom section. EPCOT.
And to keep the good times rolling, I'm the boy, I'm the boy, you know the world could.
Alright, I got the Belgian waffle with chocolate, and the Belgian booth is right here. Got moved from its original spot from last year, so there it is. So let's give it a try.
I didn't for a while, but I like spicy where it's like flavorful. I don't like spicy where it's like I'm just trying to flavor your mouth.
Here we go. It's fine. Really good. with the chocolate. Chocolate is even better. There was the other kind with berries and chocolate together. I choose the chocolate. We're gonna dig up and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Mickey and Minnie in the front of EPCOT. Guys, Goofy and Pluto's out in the front. Alright guys, we're in the new renovation of Club Pool because they did a renovation of the Club Pool last year, and now this is what it looks like. It's basically a Coca-Cola store, but it's Club Pool at Disney. And the people here are trying different soda drinks here. And there's one in particular that everybody hates. It's all the flavors.
Venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Ils errent, les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but here. Hein? Pour le repas idéal, en commun? Non. C'est pour un. Tout simplement. What? Mais oui, that's it!
and this is day 3. And right now we're back to go to the Frozen sing-along show, so we can get some AC. And then later we'll do some rides, and let's get to it.